Hi, welcome to my channel. This video is the continuation from last video. So in this video, I will teach you how to add font size in your Java Swing application. So for example, it uh, adds the size of your font. For example, this label, it adds font size. So uh, let's continue. So let's no. Control Z, then let's add separator. Then let's add size, new item. Then click this one, copy. Then let's edit this 10. Then this one 10. Then this one 11. Then this one 12. Then this one 14, 16, 18, 20, then 22, 24, then 28. So before we proceed, let's go to FlatLaf. Type in your um, search bar. Then click this form div. Then proceed to typography. Then let's see the size. So here, this is the size of, this is the default, this one. So let's start here, font size of uh, number 10. So let's proceed to our JFrame form, then click the source, then go to top, then let's type here font, then font size, then let's put 10, then equal UI manager, then let's get font, then let's put small, what is that, small font. Then let's continue. Let's copy this one. Copy 11, 12. This is 11, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 24, 28. Then let's put 11, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Okay, so let's add one for 28, then 28. Then let's change the font here, which is small, then medium, then default medium font, medium. Then here is the default, default font. Then this is default large, then it's 4. Then large, large font, then it's 4. Then after each four, we have its three regular font. Then it's two. Then it's one. Then it's zero. It's zero. 14, 16, 18, 28. So here, let's count 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So let's stop that one. So it's zero. Then let's proceed. Let's add the size here. Um, let's put string here for our event. String, then font, string, then equal. Let's get the event, get action command. Then let's add method here, private void set font size. Then our parameter here is font, then string, then size. Okay. Then let's put font, then new font, then equal. Then let's call the variable here. This font size 10. Font, no, this one, font, this one. Then the method here, let's call the derived font. This one. Then let's put the font derived. No, this is maybe this one integer. So integer, then get no parse because we have string here size. That one. Then next is UI manager. Then set ano. Let's put key here. Size the key. Let's put default font. Then the size. Okay, this is font. A new font. Then next is FlatLaf. Then update UI. That's it. Then here, let's double click this number, this menu. Then let's call the method set font size. Then let's put size 10, then font string. Then copy this one, design, design, design. Then proceed. Then let's put 11. Then double click the menu item 12. Then this is 12. Then double click. Then let's change. This is 14. Then double click the 16 menu item. Then this is 16. Then 18. 18. Then double click the 20. Then 20. Then 22. Change it to 22. Number 4, 24. 24. Then 28. Then 28. No, there's no 28. So let's delete this one. We do not lock this one. So that's it. Then let's try to see the changes. Let's see. Then font, for example, if we set it to 24, so it will change to font 24. The the icon is changing the size. Then 16, then 12, then 10, then 20. Okay. So let's add to restore the font. For example, if we click this 24, then we have menu to to select the restore font. So let's continue. Then here, let's add separator. Then click this one to top. Okay. Here, let's add menu item. So click, then paste to the top. Then select. Then let's edit text here. Restore font, or let's default font. Okay. Then let's click this one. Then copy, paste, paste. Then this one, let's edit text. Then uh, increase font size. Then decrease font size. So here, let's double click this one. Then let's code. Then let's put font. Then font equal UI manager. Then get font. So no, um, let's. This is not, because this is default font. So let's call the UI manager. Then put. Then let's put default font. Then our size here is null. to restore the default font. Then FlatLaf, then update UI. The next is the increase font size. Okay, copy, then font, then equal UI manager, then get font, then large that font, let's see, large, then small. Okay, so next is let's uh, put a new font, then equal font that get derived font. No, derived font. Then this integer, this one. Then let's put integer, then parse integer, then the size which is 12. This is the large font size. The next is let's put UI manager, then put object, then default font. Then let's put new font here. Then next is FlatLaf. Then update UI. Then let's copy this one. Then double click this decrease font size. Then paste. Then the smaller font is small is this one is small font. Then let's replace this. Then this is number 10. Okay, so let's try run the project. Okay, so let's set to size 24. Then let's default. Let's set it default. So it return to default font. Then let's increase, increase. Then let's decrease. Then default. Okay. So thank you guys for watching. Like this video if you like. Then see you next video. I will teach you more about this FlatLab tutorial. Okay, so bye.